Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of Arduino. My name is Chandan Kumar Mondol and I am excited to be your guide on this incredible journey into robotics and electronics. I have 14 years experience on robotics, IoT and programming languages. Have you ever wanted to build your own robot or create a smart device for your home? In this course, we will start from the very beginning. You will learn all about the Arduino board, how to light up LEDs and why resistors are so important. We'll dive into using different models and displays, explore various communication methods, even get hands on the servo motors to bring your project to life. This course is for everyone, whether you are a complete beginner or already have some ideas you want to develop. By the end of this course, you will not only have a strong understanding of these components, but also the confidence to turn your ideas into reality. So, are you ready to build something amazing? Let's get started.